Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today I'm going to show you an unusual recipe with horse meat. In this process, the meat cooks very soft and juicy. Take 500 grams of horse meat and cut it into 1 cm thick pieces. You can replace horse meat with goat or lamb meat. After cutting, reverse the knife and beat the meat. This helps to break the fibers. You can use meat hammer also. Now to the meat, add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and apply well to the meat pieces. Cover and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder ½ teaspoon, coriander seeds powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds powder 1 teaspoon and spread all the spices evenly to the meat pieces. At last, add curd 100 ml and half lemon juice and apply. Curd tenderizes and makes the meat juicier. Now cover with stretch film and refrigerate for 4 hours as minimum. After 4 hours, take out the meat. Heat up the pan, add some butter or oil. Place the meat pieces and cook on medium flame till the meat is cooked well. If you cook on high flame or oil is less, the meat will burn. Add oil or butter in between as per the requirement. If bottom sticks and turns to dark color, scrape it and remove. Look, our meat pieces are ready. Take them out and serve hot. Look at the inside our meat. It cooks perfectly and very juicy.